Anthony D'Souza from Asolna. Asolna kita muda. Today the topic is two. One is Section 144 and Ordinance. Section 144 with respect to Pramod of Sawant government. Ordinance with respect to Digambar of Kamath, who is Mazo Gaon he is from Asolna. पण आयज अशें दिसता की आमी हिंगा आसन नाय कित्याक वयता थिंगा देर इज मर्डर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी एवरीवेर. आता अशें दिसपा लागला की आर वी लिव्हिंग इन द हिस्टरियस ऑफ युगांडा अंडर इदी अमीन or the present days of Saudi Arabia. The King Faisal had been ruling. Our state is becoming worse than China now. Although we are the world's largest democracy. One thing left, right, center, at the drop of the hat, or Pramod government is putting Section 144 anywhere. Gelte san hui, poirani inglaila, hui sagyar. तो लोग but silently Section 144 लायता हितून तेका तो silently वयतालो protester. I understand Section 144 is being applied only in times of there is a threat for the state. Usually, or there is an emergency now, or there is perceived danger of destruction of life and property. अरे आमगे लोग केन्ना एश कोन violence कोण जाणाय रे. The only two incidents I know was during the statehood and during the Kokni agitation. That headline, goy एश कोन violence चलला मरे केन्ना आमगे लोकांनी. And that also you are doing it for the people of Sangye. Sangye 144. And by muzzling the voice, you think you are going to become the victory forever and ever? Sogle, poir फाटी एक तो नुये आमदारा बरे गेले, तो आपल्या जायते स्टेप हिंसार पागेल जाल्यार तिंगा Section 144 म्हणटाय. The police सांगताले थिंगा. Even the DSP was telling it is 144. The dead shlok येता, don't police say Section 144. Why are you getting so scared when you yourself say भिवपाची गरज ना मरे. अरे 200 police, deadशे लोक आहात, 144 जाय. So your police also is not capable, you mean to say. ते पुलिसेचे नाव वगडायत मरे तू. हुई 144. त्याच्या पयलीं मेलावली. Assembly ती 144. Assembly तुम्ही असताय मरे, तिगान 144 किती आहे तुका? I don't know, but that is by law you may be doing it. But हे भाशेन 144 तुका जाय तिंगा सारखे मस्क्या भाशेन लायीत वचनाका. A government who's having nothing wrong, if the government is doing nothing wrong, why you need 144? With people like Goans here, the most peaceful state supposed to be most harmoniously staying people. The whole world recognizes Goans as the very tolerant and very peace-loving people. Only you don't trust the Goans, looks like. Second thing, Digambar Bab Kamta Bariya. त्यांका निकीत जाल ते म्हाका समजणी मेळना. पावर करप्ट पावर म्हणटे भाशेन आय डोंट नो अल्टिमेट पावर. सगळें तुका मेळ मरे लायफान सगळें तुवें घेयलां आनी आतां तूं लास्टा ते म्युनिसिपल चेअरपर्सन तुका लागना तो डायरेक्टली बट तोय तुका जाय. अरे थिंक म्युनिसिपालिटी इलेक्शन जालें मारगांव चेअरपर्सन इलेक्ट जालो बाय सिक्रेट बॅलेट. आतां तूं म्हणटा ऑर्डिनन्सान बाय वोट ऑफ हँड. कित्या रे? They had done, no, forget secret ballot. Confidentially करून जात ना ते. Because I don't understand the difference between confidentiality and the secrecy. Both are equally the same. If something goes out, it could be very dangerous for the state. With respect to secrecy, Dorto. I don't know why you had to bring the ordinance after the chairperson was already elected. Just because he is not a blue-eyed, तुक जाय तो मनीस थिंग जाय मरे. त्याक सगळे आपय त्याक रिक्वेस्ट कर जायना जाल्यार त्याक सांग आपूण हे ऑर्डिनन्स हाडना जाल्यार. They would have given you cakewalk in the way Vijay Babu Sardesai along with his team. They have told you take the walkover, man. But don't disturb the whole setup of the law. तुक जाय ते होईत थिंगा insertion कोता and the ordinance कितें रे? You could have waited for the assembly session to go on. No? You are taking the advantage of this ordinance by bypassing indirectly without the assembly. Was it so urgent? Because ordinance can be brought, I understand, is only in case of emergencies like tsunami, earthquake, or there is danger for the state or financial crisis, हिंग केसो डेंजर आलो तुका हितू बेगीन हाडपाचें झपकून आनी हाडून झपकून पास करून गेला. ओके हाड मरे तुगे एकलो स्पोक्स पर्सन सांगतालो हेजेर प्रुडंट मिडियाचेर दॅट इट इज बिकॉज ट्रान्सपरन्सी. इफ इट इज ट्रान्सपरन्सी टेल ट्रान्सपरन्सी. इफ इट इज चीटिंग से चीटिंग. You cannot eat the cake and cut the cake both. Transparency is right. You put it from the day when it was signed, no? Why are you getting it retrospective with the Margao municipal chairperson? तो निवडून येला तेजेर नो कॉन्फिडन्स हाडा आनी आतां थिंक तो लॉ चेंज करता. डोंट अप्लाय द लॉ इन मार्गांव. अप्लाय द लॉ इन henceforth. If the truth is that it was because of transparency and if you are honest enough, which I doubt anyway. It is like, I wonder how come Pramod, who was on Prudent Media as one of the best anchors today in Goa, he probably overlooked asking the people, Arey Baba, what about the mandate of the people? How can Digambar Kamath now take the councillors on the side of the BJP and have the person as a BJP man? When Digambar Kamath, when the election took place of the municipality, he was in the Congress. So people voted looking at his face and being a congressman. Today you are going to BJP, that means you are taking the votes also of the people on the BJP side. Because the council have to shift to you. So this is also a dacoity. And this is a replicate of the 8 people who had gone to the BJP recently from the Congress. Then 97% of the people in Nuve, for example, didn't want to vote for BJP. They didn't want BJP. But with 3% vote, the Nuve MLA has gone as a BJP candidate there now. So it is a total dacoity, you know. Same thing you all are doing in Margao now. The councillors has been elected by those people, considering that these people are from the Congress. Seeing the face of the Congress leader as Digambar Kamath, nobody knew that he would be changing his colors so fast. And now it is like तू एक गेम कोता फुटबॉलाची. फुटबॉला गेमीन जिखता टीम A. After the victory is done, the team which has lost, they go to FIFA and they are asking FIFA to bring an ordinance, asking them to replay this finals once again with new players. After the match is won, tournament कबा झालो, वर्ल्ड कप कबा झाले, अब FIFA को इतना ऑर्डिनेंस घेऊन येत आहे. अरे तू FIFA को ऑर्डिनेंस हटा, फाइन, बट यू अप्लाई दैट फ्रॉम देन ऑन. Don't make the team which has already won to be pulled back again and make them to again play the finals. This is foolish. Your total evil design is very crystal clear here. To save the face of Osonkar at least. एक Osonkar तुका मागता, आसोन ना जातले आम्ही. नाव पिढा जाता सगळे. Your roots are from Asol. Take the cakewalk. The opposition ditay tuka. They are saying they are not going to field a candidate. Take it. Put your blue-eyed person there and get him as a councillor. But don't go on touching the laws again and again the way you want, as and when you want. Tomorrow you will come to the election booth level, man. Gaon. During the assembly election, कोण पिढा जाले ते आमकां ते मोठी मागपाचे आनी एक ऑर्डिनन्स हाडले आनी मागीर म्हटले तुमी लेट द पीपल वोट द कॅन्डिडेट बाय रेजिंग द हँड्स. ऑर्डिनन्स हाडले तुमची न्हू. यू आर जस्ट प्लेइंग विथ द वर्ड विथ सिक्रेट अँड कॉन्फिडेन्शियल आनी काय ना. बट बोथ वन अँड द सेम. वन कॅन कॉज ग्रीवियस इंजरीज, वन कॅन कॉज lesser injuries. But both will cause injuries, man. So this is my opinion. Legally, Digambar Bab, you are perfectly right. Ordinance can be brought anytime as per the emergency. But legality सोड रे. एक humanity, morality, थोडे धोर. आवय तुझी भाषा झांडे झाला. And एक ओसोनकरांगे तरी मान दोय. नाजाल्यार आमी आसोन ना जातले. I remember you as one of the most accessible Chief Minister of Goa. I still salute you for that part. Even midnight phone घेता तू. I remember this very well. देव बरें करूं. Thank you very much.